Hey, what's going on? Michelangelo here. Just wanted to come and chat with you for a brief moment to introduce this new product that we just put out on the market. It's called the V.A.W. What the V.A.W means is the Vehicle Attached Wallet. It's made to go inside your vehicle just for you. It's the only attachable and detachable wallet of its type. Its main function is to hold your V.A.W permit, ID, insurance card, credit card, to make things convenient and easy when pulled over during a traffic stop. So be sure to go to our website at vehicleattachedwallet.com for further details. But before you do that, let me give you a little bit of history about the V.A.W and how it evolved. While laying in bed one night, a news report came on about a man who got pulled over by police. The police asked him for his driver's license and his insurance card. He told the officer that he had his V.A.W permit and he was armed. And the officer responded, "No problem. Just don't reach for it. But I'm still going to need your information." So while he was reaching in his back pocket for his information, apparently the officer feared he was reaching for his weapon. And he pulled his revolver and he shot the guy 7 times and killed him. I told my wife if he had just kept his hands in plain view, he would probably still be alive today. I said, well, we're going to invent something where citizens can feel safe and provide this important information to law enforcement while in their vehicles. So we started working on something where you can keep your hands on the steering wheel at 10 and 2 in plain view and still have access to your driver's license, ID, insurance cards, V.A.W permit, etc. Instead of reaching in your back pocket or your purse, which is our natural instinct. So we would like to help and become a valuable part of a solution. That's what inspired us to make the V.A.W, the Vehicle Attached Wallet. So once again, from the V.A.W company, check out our website at vehicleattachedwallet.com because safety matters. And it might just save your life or someone in your family life that you love. Talk with you soon. vehicleattachedwallet.com